Good morning students. Let's start with a new topic, that is linear graphs. We have already studied what the graph, how to plot the graph, and we have also studied this linear graph. We will go through this in detail now. A line graph consists of bits of line segments joined consecutively. Sometimes the graph may be a whole unbroken line. So a line graph is consisting of a line segment. Line segment is drawn consecutively, that is one after another. Sometimes the graph may be a whole unbroken line. Unbroken means there will not be a broken line, there will be a straight line. Such a graph is called a linear graph. One after another the points are plotted and the points are joined through a line segment. So this type of graph is known as linear graph. Now how we can locate points in the linear graph? Location of a point. For making a linear graph, we use the Cartesian plane. This is a type of plane. In a graph we have already seen box form is there. So that particular area where the points are plotted, that is known as Cartesian plane. It is that system on which we mark the points with the help of vertical and horizontal lines. Vertical, this is vertical line, that is y-axis, and horizontal line is x-axis. So this is a Cartesian plane which is normally drawn in a square grid form. This is drawn in a square grid form in that you have seen in a graph. You can see already it is drawn in a square grid form. We make a horizontal line, this is horizontal line, that is x-axis, and a vertical line, that is y-axis. This is horizontal line and this is y-axis is a vertical line, which divides it into 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants will be there. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This way we can say 4 quadrants. Here you can see x-axis and y-axis. Here from this is origin point, that is 0. On the right direction of x-axis we can see positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. On left side of x-axis, or you can say starting point 0, there is -1, -2, -3, -4, that is negative points. Now on y-axis, upside of above the origin point we can see positive numbers, and below that is negative numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 quadrants are there. Now what are the coordinates of a point? We will study that now. To write the coordinates of a point, we need an x coordinate that will be on x-axis and a y coordinate of a point that will be on y-axis. So x coordinate tells how many units to move right or left. So this is x-axis. It will show us, the first point will show us the x-axis value to move right or left. Which side we have to move? This is right side is positive and left side is negative. So that will be our x coordinate. Then what is y coordinate? Y coordinate tells how many units to move up or down. So what a y coordinate will tell us? Here it is y coordinate. It is the origin point. It will tell us how to move up or down. We have to go in a positive direction or a negative direction. This will be negative numbers. This will be positive numbers. So coordinates of point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is 0, 0. This is also called the origin. So intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis, both are intersecting at a point. Here it is intersecting, and this is the origin point, also known as, this is point O, or the value of this is 0, 0. That means this is the starting point and it is also known as origin. Now let's plot and let's find out how we are plotting these x and y axis through an example. Now plot 3, 4. This is the way it is represented, how the coordinate points are represented. 3, that is first point is the x-axis. This will be x-axis, and second point is y-axis. where 3 is called x coordinate and 4 is called the y coordinate. So this we have to plot. I have roughly drawn the graph here. Each block I have already told that each block is 1 unit or 1 centimeter, you can see. So we have been asked to plot 3, 4. 3 is on x-axis. So this axis we have to take, we have to go till 3. So from starting point we will start counting 1, 2 and 3. We have reached it here. Now second point is 4, that is y-axis. Then for that we have to go up. As it is positive number, so we will go up. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our point. So we will first make a point here 3 and 4. 3, 4 we have to write the coordinates, and then we will join the lines. This is the way we will plot the coordinates of a point.